to today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Wholesale distributor Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing is offering its business to the local capital market with the first initial public offering IPO for 2025, seeking to raise $499.99 million. The IPO will open Thursday morning, February 27, closing on March 13. The shares are priced at $1 Jamaican per share for the 499.99 million shares in the invitation. Each application must be for a minimum of 1,000 shares and thereafter in multiples of 100 shares. Founded in 1994, Atlantic is a 30-year-old wholesale distributor stocking over 2,400 inventory items, including home improvement supplies, plumbing tools, building materials, doors, flooring, lawn and garden supplies, paint, and adhesives. Its customer base comprises of hardware stores, contractors, developers, and retail consumers. Atlantic has over 1,000 repeat customers and 35 employees. Atlantic is on a steady growth path and is expected to continue to produce increased revenues and profits. In the financial year of 2023, the company achieved revenues of $1.4 billion and net profit before tax of $147 million. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing will use the net proceeds to repay a portion of its existing indebtedness, specifically $300 million in debt, which is to be paid in full, while the other debts, which include 3 other debts, will be repaid by $57 million each. As we continue to review corporate results, the companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange experienced a mixed results of profits and losses. A.S. Bryden and Sons Holding Limited unaudited financials for the year ending December 31, 2024 report a 38% decline in year-end net profit attributable to shareholders. 138 Student Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ended December 31, 2024 reports a 16% increase in 3 months net profit. General Accident Insurance Company Jamaica Limited unaudited financials for the 12 months ending December 31, 2024 reports a year-end net profit of $312.05 million. Epley Limited unaudited financials for the year ending December 31, 2024 reports 80% increase in year-end net profits attributable to shareholders. For the trading period ending February 21, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Limited with 3,624,252 units traded, representing 18.92% of market sales volume. Investment firm QWI Investments Limited with 3,585,410 units traded, representing 18.72% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,536,522 units traded, representing 8.02% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 21, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $44.76 million purchased and US $58.5 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.23 per dollar traded, selling the US at $158.16 and buying the US at $156.93. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.12 per transaction, with selling at $113.06 and buying at $109.94. The British pound yielded Forex traders $7.72 in profits, with selling at $200.52 and buying at $192.80. For our credit report tip of the day, as a freelancer or gig worker, covering the cost of higher education for your children can feel like an uphill battle, especially without a traditional salary. But here's the good news. Your credit score can be a powerful tool to access funding, lower costs, and find creative solutions that make college more affordable. So if your challenge is that tuition costs are overwhelming, then the solution is that building a strong credit score can help you qualify for lower interest personal loans or private student loans to cover tuition gaps. Now, in looking at building resilience and starting over, if you're a professional woman over 45 with a teenager heading to college, you know the pressure is real. You're trying to rebuild your finances after life's curveball, maybe paying down debt and somehow helping your child to get through university without that child drowning in student loans. All the while knowing that your retirement is creeping up fast. So if your challenge is, I can't save for retirement and pay for college, your solution, pay yourself first. Your child can take out loans, apply for scholarships, and work part-time, but you can't borrow for retirement. So max out your retirement accounts. It will give you tax-free income in retirement. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.